Yeah, so what are we doing today? We're changing front brakes.
Motor rebuild.
Motor rebuild. I'm still waiting for you, Uncle. I'm still waiting for the, all clear. You still got too many customers. You're always busy.
Yeah, I'm always busy.
You're always busy. Let me see. You should.
Now you gotta zoom into that.
It's not that bad. Oh, it is pretty black. Why you look so surprised? I thought you see this every day. People rock up with like shitty Supras and shit. Mine was actually clean.
No, this is one of the shitty Supras that you speak of.
He doesn't mean that.
Yeah.
He doesn't mean that.
Yeah, I definitely mean that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Have I told you the story? At one point, I lost brakes.
Oh, so there's no need to do this then.
At one point, I was driving and then I lost brakes.
You lost your brakes.
I lost brakes.
And then you found them again.
Yeah. The brakes were it was really low. So I went to Super Cheap Auto and then I bought brakes and I just poured it in. And I left it ever since.
How long was that?
7 years ago.
It's actually stained it. Look at that. That's the filter.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Can we replace it?
Replace it with what? You buy a new one?
Do you have one?
No. Oh, let me check my pocket.
Oh.
No, I don't have one.
Smart ass.
Yeah, because I've got everything.
Well, you do have everything.
I've got the looks.
You
I've
do
got
you do have everything. You have engines lying around, you got wheels, you got gearboxes lying around.
But nothing works. That's why it's lying around. If it works, it would have been in the car.
So, what are you doing?
I'm sucking it out, all the old fluid. And we'll have a look and see what this looks like. It's not going to be good. I already know this. This has to be one of the worst ones I've seen.
Okay, it's a lot worse than we thought. So, as you can see, look how black it is. So that's after 10 years of neglect. And it's not only just black, there's chunks of it just floating around, like so. Yeah, not great. You just strip on the floor.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm just getting all that. All the dry up cum juice out. all the cheesy bits.
Ah, fuck, it spread all over me.
Sorry. Yes. I sprayed on you like a home movie.
Yeah, it didn't even phase you. Says a lot. Says a lot. Anyways, well, Uncle, he's cleaning my my brake container, whatever the thing is called. The thing that holds in brake fluid. What's that thing called? What's that called?
Reservoir.
Reservoir. Yeah, that. So while he's working on my reservoir, he's trying to clean all the gunk and shit out of it. Let's have a look at my big brake kit. So as you can see, these brakes are a lot bigger than the stock NAs. This is a 4-pot, while on my Supra right now is a 2-pot. So what 4-pot means that there's 4 pistons inside. See, right here, there's 4 pistons, while on the NA only has 2 pistons. So these are better for braking, and good thing is I can still keep the ABS. Great.
Smooth motherfucker.
Anyways, so after you clean the reservoirs, all clean and shit,
Yeah.
it's all working now.
Yeah, it's nice and clear.
It's nice and clear.
Yep.
What next?
What next? I don't know. I gotta call up for help. Call a friend.
Why?
Because I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
So I brought my car to you, and you don't know what you're doing.
It's not like I'm licensed.
Shit. Alright, I know what to do with that. So I'm looking at the camera and now I'm just like zooming in, it's like, shit, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. Nah, seriously, what's next?
That's it. You leave it like that.
Oh, you leave it like
I strip everything else.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't want to add fluid just to get the fluid everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let it drip out. Let it drip.
There's still fluid in the system.
Of course. Yeah. So later I'll get all the fluid out.
So how are you gonna bleed it yourself? Isn't it a 2-man job to bleed brakes?
No.
Huh?
I'm not just good looking for nothing.
You said you don't know what you're doing!
I know. Hey, there's always yes. I YouTube it.
You YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, how to change?
Yes.
fucking brake fluid.
And I get paid for it too.
Oh god.
Chris fix.
This is worse than a garage job. If I knew you didn't know what you're doing, I could have just grabbed my dad.
Just let me read instructions how to operate this hoist.
Oh. You're funny.
I knew it. You had to pull this lever or something like that.
Nah, bro. Just knew it. Just press the stop button. Just press the stop button. Press it on, off, on, off, on, off.
So just big brake. That's it.
That's it.
Alright. What's in here? This rotor? This is just the front?
Yep.
Where's the rear rotor?
Rear rotors?
Yeah.
Do we need a rear rotors too?
Are we just doing front?
Just do front.
Oh, so why am I taking the rear out? I gotta bleed the brakes anyway.
Anyways, so do I have everything we need? We got, what are these? Well, shims on each side. Yeah. Fitting kits. These little T's. Yep. Brake lines. Oh, you still need to do brake lines anyway. So,
Yeah.
so the rears have to come off. Calipers, just front calipers.
Yeah.
Is there anything else we need?
Yeah. Bottle of NOS. That's what's missing.
It's like NAS.
NAS.
We need NAS.
We need NAS. That's right. Alright, let's have a look. Look at that.
Yeah, I don't know what size that is. I forgot what size it is. I hope so too.
Otherwise, all this,
It's for nothing.
that's the bigger one. Good job.
So it'll
Yeah,
fit.
that is the bigger one.
So it'll fit.
Yes, it'll fit.
Yes. I did my job. I did my job. Look how dirty that is. Ew, there's a dead animal. Yeah, it's starting to show his age. Oh my god, the shocks are fucked. Yeah. Old car. Updates?
Okay, it's all on. The fluid at the rear, it's not going through, so it's a blockage. I sort that out already. The other side's still blocked, so I've got to look into that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but the front brakes, one thing.
I don't know. I'm going to check whether it's leaking. Remember that damage? I already machined it.
Yeah.
I just finished. I just put it on. We're going to test for leaks.
Well, can you explain to the viewers what happened to the brake caliper?
The caliper, where it bolts on to the hose, the line, it's actually been dropped. There, it's damaged. Yeah, and then where the surface mate, where the surface is made up, it doesn't. You can't see it anyway.
I can't see
it's
it.
already on. Yeah. When it's two surfaces mate, it's damaged.
Alright.
That's why it can leak.
So it can leak, but we haven't tested yet. So
I'm going to test it. Yeah. So I've actually machined it down,
Okay.
and we'll see how we go. Hopefully everything works out.
Has it ever happened to you where you had a brake caliper that's damaged like that?
Nope.
Because I saw it. It looked really deep.
Yeah.
It looked extremely deep, as
Yeah.
if someone got an axe and just went
Yes.
axed it.
Yep. It's been axed.
Whoa. All right.
But we'll see how we go.
See how we go.
Yeah. So this is a job.
So we just got the car back from Paden's. So it didn't go according to plan. So what happened was when he bled the brakes, one of the calipers got clogged. So we had to replace the rear caliper on both sides. Then after we replace those calipers, we can bleed the brakes. And I've only done the fronts because I can't afford the rears because I'm a tight ass. So yeah, let's have a look at the fronts. See, big brakes, Supra. Look at the clearance on that. See, so with the big brakes, it means I can brake a lot. I brake a lot later. It's 4 piston instead of 2, so I have more likelihood chance of surviving if I'm driving really fast. You know, if you're going really fast, you can slam the brakes and the distance is a lot shorter and it looks nicer. So yeah, looks a lot nicer. So the takeaway from this clip is always bleed your brakes every 3 years. Don't do what I did, left it for like 10 years for God knows how long. So with that, have a nice day.